Hello, welcome to Start Afresh. Today's topic is acceleration. When we hear word acceleration, the first thing that comes into our mind is accelerator of the car. And what does this accelerator do? It increases the speed of car. So, does acceleration means increase in speed? No. Acceleration means change in velocity with time. Mind it, just change. It could be either increase or decrease. Velocity is simply speed with direction. Makes acceleration a vector quantity. It is defined as rate of change of velocity and denoted by vector A. Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time taken. Or we can say vector A is equals to vector V minus vector U over time t. Here V is representing final velocity and U initial velocity. As you already know, unit of velocity is meter per second and time is seconds. So, unit of acceleration becomes meter per second square. Can we relate the acceleration with our practical life? Suppose you are going from place A to place B towards east. You started with velocity of 0 meter per second and attained a velocity of 20 meter per second due east in 10 seconds. Acceleration becomes final velocity 20 minus initial velocity 0 divided by time 10 seconds. Acceleration becomes 2 meter per second square. This is the case when you are increasing the velocity, called as positive acceleration or simply acceleration. Positive is denoting increase. As you were driving, you saw some construction work going on and had to apply the brakes, bringing down your velocity to 0 meter per second in 5 seconds. Acceleration becomes 0 minus 20 over 5. Remember, your final velocity is 0 in this case. Acceleration becomes minus 4 meter per second square. This case of decreasing velocity is known as negative acceleration or retardation. If you ask how many ways are there to achieve acceleration, answer would be 3, not 2. First is positive acceleration, which can be achieved by pressing the accelerator. Retardation by pressing brakes, and third one is change of direction, as velocity is both speed and direction. This can be achieved by steering wheel of the car. This is a typical scene from cricket match where bowler has given the delivery, batsman hits it and fielder catches the ball. Let us recreate the scene from motion point of view. When bowler throws the ball, its initial speed is 0 and it increases in due course of time. This is the case of positive acceleration. Batsman hitting the ball, he is changing its direction as well as speed, and with the catch, fielder is reducing the speed to 0, making it a case of retardation. What is the cause of all these accelerations? It is the force applied by the bowler, batsman and fielder. Can this be applied to other sports too? Children playing on merry-go-round with constant speed, a ball bouncing freely, players playing badminton. In merry-go-round, speed is constant, but direction is changing at every instant, causing acceleration. Remember, this type of motion is known as uniform circular motion. When ball is going downwards, it has positive acceleration, which is equals to acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. When ball is going upwards, its speed reduces to 0 at maximum height. The acceleration due to gravity works in opposite direction, equals to minus 9.8 meter per second square. Shuttlecock is changing the direction as well as speed whenever being hit by the racket, thus having acceleration, retardation and change of direction. Last, If a person is running with constant speed in straight line direction, will there be any acceleration? No, because direction as well as speed being constant, making both the factors of acceleration constant. Can we plot the acceleration on graph? Yes. Acceleration is represented by slope of velocity time graph, where velocity is taken on y-axis and time on x-axis. Uniformly accelerating body is represented by straight line having constant slope. Here body is starting from rest. Upward slope is indicating increase in speed with time. But if the body is already moving, or we can say having some initial velocity, will be plotted like this. Here u is indicating the initial velocity possessed by the body. This graph is particularly important and used to derive equations of motion. Uniform retardation is represented by a straight line having downward slope. With time, speed of the object decreases. Straight line parallel to x-axis represent constant velocity throughout the journey. Means body is in uniform motion. Thank you.